the power is how do we combine, data, elevate data to connected, to clean data, to connected data, and then enrich with semantics as knowledge graph so that we can streamline and scale our AI effort. Ultimately will translate to something to drive extremely personalized experience for everybody. So that's why we're so excited about graph. We're so excited about the intersection between graph and machine learning. That's the only secret, no longer the secret, that's the open secret we have in order to propel us to the next era of our company. That means we want to actually at the close real time understand who you are and how do we help you better. In some sense, the batch-based algorithm usually takes hours, if not days to finish. And that's not going to support our need. So one of our teams started actually looking at it and say, can we take a new approach? Can we take a different approach? Instead of making that as a procedure relational problem, can we turn that into a graph problem? Can we actually define an ontology on the same data set? Can we use graph to connect them all? Can we actually use, once you have the whole thing building the graph, that means you can react to changes. When the new changes of data come in, we can do real-time resolution, just using graph algorithm.
Graph augments our solution. So our graph solution at OpenCorporates is mostly under the hood. So it powers our website and API in terms of analyzing and retrieving connections. We have some simple visualizations built on top of a beneficial ownership, but really it powers the analytics behind it. So we have a relational database, so that runs in parallel with our graph database. And graph powers the complex queries and analytics. So graph solved our problem of being able to look at companies and relationships and return that information in real time for the users of our website and API. And that was a problem that we just couldn't solve with relational. So we were campaigning to have more data because more data allows us to make better decisions. And those better decisions, when added to graph technology and AI and machine learning, allow us to be much more powerful and targeted in identifying all sorts of nefarious activity.
Ultimately, is think about customer. That's what we're really driven by customer. Customer in this new era demands intelligent, smart product and services. Can automate their work, give them confidence to get their, in all cases, get their finances done. That's why graph is the central piece of everything what we do.